In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Indicator Derivative Oscillator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the indicator added to your chart and ready to use in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The steps are exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. It is usually near the top toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all its built-in tools, community scripts, and premium indicators. When the Indicators window opens, you will see a search bar at the top. This search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for instead of scrolling through long menus. Move your cursor into that search field so it is active and ready for typing. Now type the name of the tool you want to add, which is Indicator Derivative Oscillator. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below and start showing you matching results. Make sure you select the correct indicator from the list that appears. When you see Indicator Derivative Oscillator show up, click on it once. The moment you do that, the oscillator will be added to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. With the indicator now visible, the next step is to fine-tune it so it works the way you like. On the chart, hover your mouse over the Indicator Derivative Oscillator area and look for the small settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on that settings icon to open the configuration window. Inside the settings, you can usually adjust inputs like look-back periods, smoothing, colors, and visual style. Take a moment to review each tab and make changes that fit your trading style, but avoid changing too much at once if you are new to the tool. You can always come back and tweak these settings later as you get more experience using the oscillator. When you are happy with your adjustments, click OK or close the window, and your customized Indicator Derivative Oscillator will be saved to that chart layout. If you do not already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features and a smoother experience, check out the link in the description below this video to sign up and get started.